Now in this lesson we take a look at grid coordinates. Example. We have a grid there. We're going to label the axes, the bottom axes and the side axes. So from the bottom, A, B, C, D and E. And on the side from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a dog there, and a frog, a pig, a bull, and a chick. And we're asked to write the coordinates of the following creatures. Part A, the dog. Okay, let's see where the dog is. There he is. Now we're going to see what it matches up with. You can see that it's in line with the C. It's in the C column and in the row that's 4. So C and 4, we write C4. What about the chick? Okay, there's the chick there. Which column is it in? Well, it's in the D column and it's in the row of number 2. So D and 2. We're going to write D2. What about the bull? Well, there's the bull. It's in the E column and it's in the first row, row 1, E and 1. So we write E1. Now what about the pig there? Can you spot the pig? There he is. He's in the B column. He's in row 3, B and 3. What are we going to write? Did you say B3? Very good. The frog. There he is. A column. Row 5, A and 5. We'd write A5.